Lord, it is filed, application is filed by state of MP.
My lords, consider calling 23 in its turn. Item 6 is just being withdrawn.
No, I mean, we'll pass, but it's kind of listed together. So
It is listed together. I'll just point out, Lord, what the issue is.
1 minute, let us see. It's, huh? It's really wants to. And under advocate appearing on behalf of the petitioner, submits, we have instruction not to proceed with this petition. The present petition is dismissed as withdrawn. Interim order, if any, shall stand dissolved.
Fresh matter.
It's a fresh matter.
Item 6 is a fresh matter.
They are not pressing it. There is
Sorry, it dismissed. Confusion is because it's central.
Yes.
So 6 is dismissed as withdrawn.
It's not signed. 6 was by the private individuals from Lord West Bengal. This is by the state of Madhya Pradesh.
Yes.
I just give a brief background before I take your lordships to the
Now,
so that orally your lordships can be briefed what the issue is. There was a circular issued by the NCTE, National Council of Technical Education, in June 18. I'm sorry.
the solicitor, it would not be better if the same bench, we can form.
I can't follow that.
I just want to point out one thing.
Because I'm not also the author of the judgment.
Justice,
May I just point out one thing, my lords? That in two such matters which have come up, where a similar prayer has been made to make the judgment applicable prospectively, those have been rejected by this court. Number 2.
No, there are.
No, my tables are for whom? My learned friend is for whom?
I'm appearing for the candidates. I'm also appearing before the Supreme in the matter.
Prospect,
where the judgment.
1 minute. Prospectivity is on 2 counts. One is where the selection process has started.
Yes.
And where appointments have been given.
Yes.
Sorry, when?
Possibly the judgment is silent on the point in cases where appointment has been.
Matter of fact, as a matter, only a minute.
My lords, that
only a minute. As a matter of, can you allow others also? You're also appearing.
Sorry, I was already.
Not, as a matter of fact, page 61, the judgment says that the concerned state did not do what we have done and therefore found a fault with. We have already made appointments as per the law applicable then.
We have not addressed directly that question.
Yes, subsequently, my lords have subsequently addressed that particular issue. Can I have a compilation here of the applications that came up before my lords, where the same prayer had been.
All cases that
1 minute, can you now? I'm just saying.
Anyway, we'll take it up.
Yes, my lord, and my learned friend, if not,
I also want to point out one more thing.
Lord, my learned friend may move an impleement. Which appeal is for?
My learned friend raises an objection.
Those applications were also dismissed by the same bench.
Absolutely.
To let the matter go before the same bench.
That's all.
My lords,
Why are you expending energy before this bench?
And my lord, another thing, we should know, my lord, we are opposing whom, let them file an impleement if not file. And
it was before the High Court. I am the main party.
Okay, one minute.
I don't think learned friend is aware of what he is.
No, not in this matter.
In this matter, also, Divesh Sharma, we have a.
अभी कोर्ट के माइक ऑफ है, आवाज नहीं आ रही। कोर्ट की तरफ से माइक ऑफ है, कोर्ट की तरफ से माइक ऑफ है।
Mr. Solicitor, My lords, I am not on an aspect, my lords are referring to another bench,
No, we are not referring to another.
My lords will hear the bench which heard the matter, will decide. There is no objection there, my lords, I say very well, that be so. I am on an aspect, there is a writ petition which is pending before the High Court in respect of the.
We are not going to answer that.
Yes, my lord.
My lords, the order that is passed on 4th of January.
We are not passing any order.
Yes, my High Court never
lords,
made my proceedings in the Supreme Court.
This application is stated before the High Court to adjourn the proceedings before the High Court.
That is for the High Court to take a call.
Yes, my lord.
My lords, we only record this, that this application will not come in the way of.
No, that can't be. We will request that you can't take the Supreme Court matter inflexible.
Okay. The present application.
This application is defective, please ask your advocate on record to attend.
On 7th, the matter is listed, this is what is going to be put to the High Court, that the matter is being taken up on that,
Yes,
and that is the adjourned. My lords,
533 of 2024.
MA diary number. At the top. MA diary number.
No.
Court fee has not been paid.
No, my lord. We are not parties in the main.
That is one. The other is court fee has not been.
Court fee should
By the state of Madhya
Madhya
Pradesh,
Pradesh.
seeking certain clarification in relation to a judgment of this court delivered by a bench comprising of one of us, in bracket, that is Aniruddha Bose and
Just Julia. I don't just.
The applicant was not a party to that judgment,
my lords,
having considered.
State of Madhya Pradesh, I was not a party one.
my lords, they were applications, let my lords may not record that, because we will be able to point out that there were applications that had been filed in that matter arising.
From the candidate, state was never a party. Don't mislead.
My lords, there was a notice given and an opportunity given by this court to everyone, and
We can delete that.
therefore.
We are not recording anything.
We'll show that.
Yes.
We'll argue rather than fight.
We are of the view that this application ought to be heard by the
Same permission.
same bench which had delivered the judgment. Elect the registry constitute make the judgment.
My lord, I would request, my lord,
Request here.
my lord, I can't scream, my lord, anyway. You come.
I think this is.
We will sit one day around
I
here.
think have it on Monday so that, my lord, this quarrel unnecessarily before the High Court
Okay,
not taking place. That's all I was going to say.
I cannot take unilateral decision and discuss it to be on the.
Yes, my lord, kindly.
My lords, only that is the request, if my lords.
Monday or Tuesday will fit.
I am,
Yes,
that is all. Matter before the High Court is on 8th of February, if my lords can take it up before that,
The
that
High
will
Court
be very
cannot
great.
make Supreme Court proceedings infructuous. That's very clear. Then.
Yes.
Don't need argument.
Deeply grateful.
आज मध्य प्रदेश राज्य सरकार की अपील पर भारत सरकार के एडिशनल सॉलिसिटर जनरल तुषार मेहता जी अपील हुए हैं और स्पेशल बेंच गठित करने के आदेश किए गए हैं, जिसमें जस्टिस धुलिया जी जो ऑथर थे उस जजमेंट के उनके पास भेज दिया गया है। अब ये मंडे या ट्यूसडे को मैटर लगेगा और बाकी जो भी होगा अपडेट आपको दे दी जाएगी। बहुत ही गंभीर मामला बन चुका है।